In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Weatherstrip Door Seal on this Ford F-150, and this will apply to all the doors. Even though I'm just showing you the driver's side here, they're all going to be the same. Let's get started. To free up the seal from the bottom, we'll have to remove this sill plate here. All you have to do that is just pull straight up on it. I already have a broken tab over there. That's it. And all you have to do to remove the seal is pry it up and peel it away. That's it. Seal's removed. To get the new one in, you want to start it right down here in the middle where the old one started also. You want to make sure it's at the bottom because that way you avoid water getting into the vehicle. Slide it over this lip here and just press it down. And just go all the way around and press it nice and flush up against this lip. Coming to an end here, you want to make sure that it lines up properly. Peel up the other side that you started with, get them both close, put them together, and press them both on at the same time. That is going to line them up perfectly. This seal should be made to fit exactly this door, so you should not need to trim it as long as you bought the one for the proper door. Keep that in mind. And right over this goes this piece. Snap it back down. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.